look, Dermot Desmond's a very successful business person. I don't agree with him in this instance. I think it's more than about the airport. If you look at the development around the whole Swords, North County Dublin, and right the way through in and across the city, the cost-benefit analysis that's been done on the project speaks for itself. So, this is a project of significant national importance. It would not be replaced by self-driving cars. AI will certainly advance our public transport offering, unquestionably. But look, we've waited long enough for projects like Metrolink to get into construction. This government are committed to it, and we will be doing it, and it will actually drive economic benefit. It will pay back to the exchequer over time, and it will improve quality of life for people.
Dermot Desmond and Michael O'Leary have both been quite strong on the Metrolink.
They have, actually, yeah.
What is the...
I don't know, I'm not sure how often. Look, both people I've a lot of regard for. Okay, they're successful in their own fields. The reality of it is, though, is that we've the fifth best connected airport in Europe. An airport that's growing, that's a really important economic driver, but for an island, it's critically important by way of connectivity. It doesn't have a rail link, but it isn't just about the airport. If you take the area of Swords, it's the size of a city now, that does not have a rail link. It's for us to be able to continue to grow, and our population has grown substantially since 1990, well over close to 1.5 million additional people in the country. We've got to support, our citizens and those who come and live in this country with a public transport network that can support what they need to do. So, look, I don't agree with either of them, frankly. I think they're obviously perfectly entitled to their opinion, but this government are committed to Metro, and we'll deliver it.